Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet address to make your deposits on the Octa Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Octa Trading app on your device and you may log in using your credentials. After this, you will be taken into the dashboard, and if you wish to check your deposit wallet address for various different cryptos, then you can tap on the deposit button right within the homepage. You can then choose from the various cryptos available, and when you tap on it, you will be provided your wallet address. You can tap on the copy address button, and now you can share this address with anyone and they can send you crypto within this address. This address pretty much acts as your deposit address for the selected crypto. You can choose from the various different currencies to view their address and then make your deposits from any wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your wallet address on the Octa Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.